Today, I'll walk you through step by step how to create and send your very first email campaign in MailerLite, from logging into your dashboard all the way to hitting that send button with real confidence. MailerLite is one of the most beginner-friendly email marketing platforms available, and once you know how to run a campaign correctly, your message reaches the right people at exactly the right moments. If you find this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Campaigns section. Once you're logged into your MailerLite dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. From there, you'll see a prominent Create button. Go ahead and click that. If this is your first time on the platform, take a moment to scan the menu. You'll notice sections for subscribers, forms, and automations as well, all of which connect to your campaigns as your skills develop. For now, Campaigns is where all the action happens. Once you're inside the campaign creation flow, MailerLite will ask you to choose a campaign type. Select Regular Campaign. This sends a single email to whichever list or segment of subscribers you choose. There are other options such as a /B split tests and auto resend campaigns that you can explore once you're comfortable with the basics, but regular is your workhorse for day-to-day newsletters and announcements. Keeping it simple here means you learn the core workflow cleanly before adding complexity. Now comes the part most people enjoy most: designing your email content. MailerLite offers a few editing paths, and the one I consistently recommend is the drag and drop editor. It works exactly as the name suggests. You have a palette of content blocks on one side and a live canvas on the other, and you simply click a block and drag it into place. You can add text sections, images, buttons, dividers, and even embedded surveys without writing a single line of code. The editor handles all the HTML behind the scenes. One critical best practice tip: keep your layout clean and always check the mobile preview before you move on, because the majority of your subscribers will read your email on their phone, and a cluttered desktop design can look broken on a small screen. With your design taking shape, turn your attention to the campaign details. This section deserves genuine care, because these fields directly determine whether your email gets opened. The campaign name is purely internal. Your subscribers never see it, so make it descriptive for your own future reference. Something like June newsletter summer sale will be far more useful to you in 3 months than something vague like email 5. Next is the subject line, which functions as the headline of your entire campaign. It's the single line that decides whether someone opens your email or scrolls past it, so keep it clear, specific, and benefit-driven, and steer clear of all caps or heavy punctuation, which can trigger spam filters and undermine deliverability before your email even arrives. The sender field is where you enter your name and email address, and this matters more than most beginners expect. Emails sent from a real personal or branded address like hello@yourbusiness.com earn consistently higher open rates than those sent from a generic no-reply address. A no-reply address also signals to the reader that you're not interested in a conversation, which is rarely the impression you want to create. If you haven't yet verified a custom sender domain in your MailerLite account settings, I'd strongly encourage you to do so. It takes roughly 10 minutes, and it meaningfully protects your long-term deliverability. The final field in this section is the pre-header. This is a short line of text that appears in the inbox just after or below your subject line, depending on the email client the recipient uses. Think of it as a second chance to earn the open. Many senders leave this blank, which causes the email client to pull in the first readable line of the email body. Often something like "view in browser," which is a completely wasted opportunity. Instead, write a compelling one-liner that adds context or curiosity to your subject, giving subscribers one more reason to click through. Once your details are locked in, you'll choose your recipients. MailerLite lets you target your full subscriber list, or narrow down to specific groups and segments you've already created. If you've been tagging your subscribers by interest, location, or purchase behavior, this is precisely where that organization pays off. You can send the right message to exactly the people for whom it's relevant. Consistently targeting the right segment rather than emailing your entire list every single time keeps your engagement metrics healthy and your unsubscriber rate low. Finally, you'll decide when to send. Choosing Send Now pushes the campaign live immediately, which works well for time-sensitive announcements. Scheduling, on the other hand, lets you pick a specific date and time, and it's almost always the smarter choice for planned newsletters. Research consistently shows that emails sent on Tuesday through Thursday mid-morning in your audience's local time zone earn the strongest open rates. MailerLite also offers a send time optimization feature that analyzes your subscribers' past behavior and makes that timing decision automatically, worth exploring as your list matures. And there you have it. You've just created, configured, and sent your first MailerLite campaign from end to end. You now know how to navigate the platform, build a professional email without writing any code, craft a subject line and send the details that drive opens, and get your message in front of the right subscribers at the right time. As a next step, return to your dashboard a day or two after sending and review the campaign report. Your open rate, click-through rate, and unsubscribes will tell you exactly what resonated and what to sharpen next time. If something in this video clicked for you, or if you have a suggestion for future topics, drop a comment below. Every single one gets read and your input directly shapes what comes next. Save this video and come back whenever you need a refresher. You've absolutely got this.